Welcome to our video on how to get started with Amazon Global Selling. Customers order products from Amazon stores all over the world. With Amazon Global Selling, you can use our state-of-the-art tools to reach hundreds of millions of customers in over 200 countries. We have many different tools to help you sell effectively as you expand your business. In this video, we'll walk you through how to sell globally and how you can access the features of our Amazon Global Selling program. To get started, open the main menu by clicking the icon in the upper left corner of the Seller Central homepage. Hover over Inventory and select Sell Globally. When you first visit the Sell Globally page, you'll be asked to take a tour of its features. You can always review the tour again by selecting Take a Tour at the top of the page. Global Selling is split into 4 regions, each with its own tab. You'll find one tab for the Americas, one for Europe, one for the Asia-Pacific region, which includes Australia, and one for the Middle East and North Africa. When you select each tab, a number of drop-down boxes will appear for each store in those regions. When a store's drop-down box is selected, the guide on the right side of the screen will change to provide information for that store and region. If you're not ready to dive into the details of a particular store, select Understand the Basics next to the Sell Globally heading to see a general overview instead. The Understand the Basics page is broken down by topic, such as account setup, taxes, compliance, listings, and fulfillment. It also includes links to help pages and tutorial videos. If instructions are specific to a particular region or store, they're labeled as such. You can even use filters to limit the information to the store that you want. When you plan to sell globally, you'll need to have an account in the store where you plan to sell. If you merge your international accounts with your home account, you'll have access to a number of useful features. To merge your accounts, open the Settings menu in Seller Central by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Then select Global Accounts. On the Global Accounts page, you'll see a list of accounts that you have in each store. Select the Merge Accounts option at the top of the page. You can merge 2 accounts at a time by selecting the boxes next to them, clicking Preview Merge, and then following the instructions that appear. To merge more than 2 accounts, start by merging 2, then merge the new account you just created with one of your other accounts. Repeat until all your accounts are merged into one. When you sell products in more than one Amazon store, you need a listing for each store in which you sell. Build International Listings is a tool that can help those with a professional selling account sell in multiple stores with a single listing. With this tool, you can manage and update one listing, and it'll automatically update in your other stores based on the settings you choose. It even updates your offers based on currency exchange rates. The Build International Listings tool typically works within a single region, but can also update across regions if you link your global accounts. To use the tool, select Build International Listings at the top of the Sell Globally page. You may also have a card titled List Globally on the Seller Central homepage that will direct you to the same place. To create offers with the tool, you need a professional selling account in which your accounts, the source store, and the target store are all linked. If you meet these requirements, select Get Started to choose your source and target stores and to set rules for offer creation and prices. We'll process the connections and send you an email when you're all set up. The Learn More and Take a Video Tour links at the top of the Build International Listings page provide more information about this tool and how to use it. What if you're not sure about which products to sell internationally? That's where our Marketplace Product Guidance tools come in. If this program is available for your home region and target store, you can access these tools by selecting Marketplace Product Guidance at the top of the Sell Globally page or in the Growth section of the Seller Central main menu. There are 3 Marketplace Product Guidance tools, each of which can help you in different ways. The Marketplace Product Guidance Cross-Listing tool forecasts future demand for your products in international stores. It looks at each Amazon Standard Identification Number, or ASIN, you offer and gives personalized advice about selling in new stores. The Marketplace Product Guidance New Products tool, meanwhile, uses your product's ASINs to look at the categories that you sell in, compares them to other ASINs in the same store, and gives you personalized advice about opportunities for offering new products not currently in your catalog. Both of these tools use close to 600 factors to calculate demand for a product in your chosen store over the next several months and show you this value as an opportunity score. The higher the score, the higher the predicted demand for that product in that store. The Advanced Research tool, on the other hand, displays information about product performance within a group of similar products in the Amazon store called a Browse Node. The tool presents data about customer demand, existing offers, and feature popularity for these browse nodes. This information can help identify new opportunities for product development. To learn more about how the Marketplace Product Guidance tools work, search for Marketplace Product Guidance in the top search bar of Seller Central. Selling globally can bring new challenges, such as following local laws and policies for products in global stores. While doing your own research should always be the most important part of this process, the Compliance Reference tool can help you collect information about what compliance documentation you need and how to get it. To reach this tool, hover over Catalog in the Seller Central main menu and select Add Products. You'll find a link to the Compliance Reference tool at the bottom of the page where sellers add products. Select the region you ship from and the store where you want to sell, and then enter your product type. Select a category from the drop-down menu and either type a keyword or search from the list. Select View Help Content to see a list of compliance documentation you'll need in order to sell in that store. You can also use this tool to find service providers who can help you get the documentation you need. Search for Compliance Reference in Seller Central to learn more. Note that the Marketplace Product Guidance tools will also filter out items in your catalog that aren't compliant with your target store, which can also help you understand your compliance needs. One optional paid feature you can use when your accounts are merged is Amazon Currency Converter for Sellers, or ACCS. This tool allows you to have funds from foreign purchases deposited directly into your home bank account in your local currency. The only fee for this feature is based on the volume of business you do. The greater your sales volume, the lower your percentage fee. So having all your accounts merged can make your fee much lower. To start using ACCS, select Account Info from the Settings menu, which is opened using the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Go to Payment Information, then Deposit Methods. Select Assign in Deposit Methods and choose Use a new bank account or Replace default deposit method. Then follow the instructions that appear. Learn more by searching for ACCS in Seller Central. Of course, you may need help with other areas besides currency conversion. The Service Provider Network is a paid service that can connect you with trusted service providers who can help you with all kinds of needs, from account management to translation. Back on the Sell Globally page, select Find a Provider at the top of the page. Select where you're located, where you want to sell, and what service you need help with. Then select Search to view a list of providers tailored specifically to your needs. Or browse the entire list of service providers by category if you want to start searching from a service type instead of a location. With both our tools and our trusted service providers at your disposal, you'll have a robust assortment of options to help you succeed at global selling. While some things are required, like meeting compliance specifications and having the right documentation, many of our other tools are designed to help you make smart decisions for your business. Even when you expand globally, you're the one who decides what and where to sell. The world is waiting. Let's get started. This concludes our training on how to get started with Amazon Global Selling. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.